any drone repair. Yes, sir. I got you. For any drone repair, come see Michael in Weiner, Georgia. His number is, go ahead, Michael.
I didn't get me away. That battery.
What's your number?
678
425
8038.
8038, and tell him James Tingley sent you. Thank you, Michael.
That's a good battery.
That's a good battery, isn't
Very
it?
good battery.
That's my #1 battery. Michael doing a battery check to complete them all. Never store your batteries at 100%. Always store your batteries at what percent, Michael?
60 to 50.
60 to 50%, and then you'll be good to go for the next charge, correct?
Yes.
So I go into my battery settings to look at my,
Come up here.
yes, sir.
Look down here. You'll see the picture of the battery.
Yes, sir.
Tap on that, and it'll bring that up.
Okay. Now that's the lifeline of my battery, correct?
You can also, I recommend going from 10%
Go
there
ahead, right there.
to about,
Set it where you want it set, Michael,
I'd
please.
say 18 or 20.
Okay.